Okay, so the boring way to add pages is you tap on the existing page, click on the three dots, click add page, and you have a new page. But that's not cool. Now, the more beautiful way, well, cool, I guess, way to do it is you just scroll all the way to the right. So these are all our pages, and this is the last page. And as you can see, well, I can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a page being created. And yeah, it just got created, and we can, yeah, it is so cool, like you can't even imagine. Anyways, yeah, so if you want to see all pages, just click on the three dots, go to settings, show page thumbnails, and you can easily go through all of them. uh Delete a bunch of them if you don't want them anymore, because that's what you do when you don't need people anymore, and you're, yeah. But yeah, that's it.